If your Epic Games Launcher is stuck on an update error, won't open properly, or keeps failing to load, this video will walk you through a simple fix step by step. We're going to cover the most effective first things to try, and these are the same basic troubleshooting steps that solve a lot of launcher update issues for many users. So if you want to get back into the Epic Games Launcher quickly, stay with me until the end. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and gaming guides. Let's get started. First, go ahead and restart the Epic Games Launcher. Sometimes the launcher just gets stuck during an update attempt, and a full restart is enough to clear the temporary glitch. If closing it normally doesn't work, make sure it is fully shut down from the system tray or use Task Manager to end the process completely. After that, restart your PC as well. A full computer restart helps clear memory issues, background conflicts, and failed update processes that may be blocking Epic from starting correctly. Once your PC comes back on, open the launcher again and see if the update error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or interrupted connection can stop the Epic Games Launcher from completing its update. Try opening a few websites or testing another app to make sure your connection is actually working properly. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or reconnect your router if the network seems unstable. Sometimes even a quick network refresh can make the difference. Now, another important step is to turn off any VPN you may be using. Epic Games Launcher can sometimes have trouble connecting through a VPN, especially during updates or sign-in checks. If a VPN is active, disconnect it completely and then try launching Epic Games again. This can remove a network path issue that may be causing the update failure. If the launcher still refuses to update, we'll move on to one of the most common fixes, clearing the WebCache. The Epic Games Launcher stores temporary data in a WebCache folder, and if that data becomes corrupted, it can cause update errors, loading problems, and strange launcher behavior. To fix that, you'll need to go into the Epic Games Launcher folder on your PC and delete the WebCache folder inside the save directory. This forces the launcher to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it opens, which often resolves the issue immediately. If you're not sure where to find it, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open Saved, and then find WebCache. Delete that folder, then reopen the launcher and let it rebuild the data. After that, check whether the update problem is fixed. In many cases, that's all it takes. To recap, the main steps are restart the launcher, restart your PC, verify your internet connection, turn off your VPN, and delete the Epic Games Launcher saved WebCache folder. These simple fixes solve a lot of update errors without needing anything complicated. If your launcher is still acting up after trying all of that, the issue may need a deeper repair or reinstall, but this method should handle the most common causes. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games Launcher update error, please drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want help with another launcher or game issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.